What's up, everyone? Here at San Jose BMW, this is a 360 camera. If you've never seen a video like this, you can use your phone or your mouse and you can move it all around and you can see not me or wherever you like to look. But I'm here with Amy.
Hi!
And she's in sales.
Sales manager.
And she said she came with the building. I don't know what that means, but I believe she's worked here for a while. How long?
A long time. 9 years, but they used to be in a little hallway of a building, and there wasn't enough room in there.
Okay.
So once I walked into here, I found there was room to change my mind. So I came with the building.
Awesome. Well, let's take a look at San Jose BMW.
So right through the front doors, we have the sales department. Sales department and our vast selection of multiple models, colors, and all configurations. We have our sales team over here, which consists of Corey Cole. Hey Corey, how's it going? That's my desk over there. Been there for too long. Let's move through it.
And it's for motorcycles, it's BMW and then Zero.
Zero. We have Vespa and Turbo Specialized.
Oh, yeah.
New to our corral. And your filming equipment.
Yeah, we're also doing other things today, but yeah, let's go say hi to everyone in the back.
Okay. Moving right along, we're coming over to our world famous parts and accessories department with our award-winning team and one of our longest term employees. That's Bill over there. Bill's our parts manager, parts guru, and all around quiet guy in the corner.
Oh yeah, you got to worry about the quiet ones, right? Excellent, yeah. So would they talk to you for parts coming in here, or?
Absolutely not. That's why he's the quiet guy.
Okay.
Yeah.
Over in the corner, overseeing. So these two gentlemen here at the counter, it's Woody and Mike.
Woody is our double R enthusiast, know-all. Not only can he find you stuff on new product, but he can also look up and find you all of the greatest stuff that nobody knows anything about on the used. Definitely our double R expert, as well as accessories, apparel. Woody comes with a lot of passion and a lot of knowledge.
Nice, nice. Excellent.
That's Woody. Over here we have Mike. Mike is a polished favorite. One of the newest to the parts and accessories team, but he comes with some experience and adds some value to the team.
Excellent. All right, nice to meet you.
That's right. Now as we move through, we come to our customer corner. Customer corner is also known as our little mini museum. The dealership owner history racing team. We've actually built a lot of race bikes. Brian Perriott. There's a whole bunch of them. That was before my time. That was in the other building.
Okay. Yeah, I love the feel back here. You know, I mean, between the leather couches and the engine, coffee table, and then just all the history on the wall.
Yeah. So
it
most
is very
of these
cool.
pictures. There's Chris, original owner, and now Willie, here's a picture of both of them. First generation, second generation owner. Willie comes to the dealership, moved up as a mechanic, 10-year master technician, moved up to general manager, and is now dealer principal.
Very cool.
And crazy enough, it's him and his dad.
I love it. Oh, I love the history. Yeah, look at this picture. 1975, it says there on the bottom.
I don't even know what to call that hairdo, but came with
70s.
And my brother, who we're going to meet next, is the longest standing San Jose BMW employee. We're going to go through this door here to the service department. So now we're here. Oh, Pete's desk is empty. That's where my brother sits.
He's working.
We have our specialized workshop now for the
nice, yeah.
The specialized bike.
Okay, yeah, full-on bike shop. Bicycle shop.
Bicycles. Oh, and this is our.
It's too late.
It's too late. You're on camera.
It's a 360.
All right.
Look at this mean machine.
Oh, these are all the bikes around here are owned and built by Chris.
Very cool.
There was a couple of them that we passed up that were actually in those photos that were the actual race bikes that they built.
And this is where the rave is?
Yeah. Go ahead. Do what you gotta do.
Nice.
That's our foreman.
Yeah.
And if you come over this way, the build on the lift here is a California concept bike.
Oh, whoa. Look at this machine.
This is an R18 that's doing a custom build. Tires, everything was custom fabricated. Wires ran through the handlebars, reverse levers. And that's how we blow up our own motorcycles here. We're professionals at that.
Breaking. Well, awesome. Thank you for the tour.
You are welcome.
That one looks familiar.
Yeah, is that yours?
Yeah. And then I see you also service the local agencies, right?
We do. Actually, I thought that was Liz over there, and it wasn't Liz. Sorry for that enthusiastic hello.
Does CHP come here or just local city?
We have CHP will come in and get their bikes worked on, but we have a lot of local agencies that we've been working with for a while,
Yeah.
or that I sold some of the bikes to. So
Yeah, very cool.
Definitely BMW is getting more popular in the authority bikes.
Well, you can, in my opinion, you can ride 'em a little better than a Harley, right?
Yeah.
All right, we'll see you later.
See you later.
Thank you.
Come again.
And the outside. So take a look if you're in the local area, the Bay Area, Northern California. I definitely would recommend San Jose. A lot of good people here, and it's just nothing but laughter. I mean, everyone's just having fun. You turn the corner, and it's just the environment you want to be in, especially when it comes time to motorcycles. This is like a candy store. Hope you guys enjoyed the 360. I know the audio's not that great, but hey, at least you can like cruise around and see everything around me. We'll see you on the next one. See ya.